Let's update an NPS score in SchooliP. To begin, click on the notification bell in the top right-hand corner. Depending on whether you've given a score before, you'll either see an image or just a text box appear. Now, let's go through what the different scores mean. A rating between 0 and 6 tells us that the user is unhappy with the system. This could mean they're experiencing real problems or frustrations. Whenever we see a score in this range, our team will reach out promptly to understand what's going wrong and work on putting it right. A score of 7 or 8 shows that things are mostly fine, but not perfect. The system might be working overall, but there are likely some issues or barriers holding the user back. In these cases, it's a signal that we can step in with extra support, guidance, or training to make the experience smoother. Finally, a score of 9 or 10 means the user is very happy with the system. It shows that the platform is meeting their needs, performing well, and adding real value to their work. Once the score has been selected, simply click Update, and the feedback will be saved.